Okay, so for the turnstile, it has 3 different set of wires that you need to wire it in. So first, it's gonna be power for both doors, let's say. So the first one is it's here. Here's where the power goes. So you're gonna connect this power cord, positive and negative, and then there's gonna be the switch to turn it on and off. And this goes directly to power. You just need that one power cord. The other power cord for it is at the other motherboard. It's the opposite side, and it looks just the same principle. Just connect the power cord, positive, negative, on and off, and this cable goes inside the door on this black section of the turnstile, and it comes out here, and you just plug it in as well. Now, the other wire you need to connect is gonna be the master and slave wire. So it connects the 2 doors together. It's gonna be, this one is marked here because the name master and slave line. You just plug it in this section of the motherboard. Plug it in here on this one. It's gonna plug it in. You're gonna pass it through the same black section, the bottom one of this door of the turnstile. You're gonna go to the same motherboard. It's in the same location. It's right here. It's also marked. And it goes right here. So that is for the doors themselves. Now, for the facial recognition unit to connect with the turnstile itself, the cables are inside this pole, so they travel back down to this. So it's only one cable I need to plug in. It's this one. It's the one that says open R. You just need to, it's gonna come disconnect. You just plug it in here. So this is what's gonna do. It's gonna communicate with the turnstile. So it's, as you can see, it says open R. It means it's gonna open right. That's how it's gonna open, like this or that. So open L is the other way, and COM is how they communicate. So you just need to do the open R and COM for this side of the turnstile. So you just connect this one, and then for the cables related to the facial recognition, I have another video where the wiring for that. But just make sure, if you're going to connect the facial recognition to 2M station to get access records or like employee lists, and then see in what time the employees come in, make sure you connect a Cat6 cable to it. If it's gonna be wired in another section, if you have like a station for it, then make sure you have a long cable. If not, if you're gonna connect a laptop to it, just when you require it, yes, you can make the cable shorter than this. But just make sure you connect it in here. Now for this one, we made a similar wire to that. The difference is, it goes in the same section, but for this one we're using open L and then COM, because that is right, this is left. Now you can swap it, yes you can, but just make sure they're the opposite open. So this is open L, that one is open R, and both use COM as well. It's also, you just need to plug it in. And oh, for the power for this one, the other one has the power connected to the motherboard. So it's borrowing power from the motherboard. This one has its own power supply, which right now is hanging over, where is it? Oh, it's right here. The power for this unit is here, its own power supply. Right now it's here because we're just testing it, and we're just gonna send it separately. If you want to, you know, put the power supply, the brick inside and zip tie it, you can do that. If you want to put it underground, you want to hide it, you can do that as well. So we're giving you the choice on where to put the brick. But yeah, so that's what it's going. That's the power cord that is going here. So to the extension that you have, you're gonna need 1, 2, and then 3 for that unit to connect directly to power. The other connections are between, there's one connection between the 2 doors, and one from for communication from this one to this one, and then here 2 for one for communication from this one to this one, and 1 for power. And that's it for wiring.